Click on the link below to get price. The Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is an impressive blend of power, versatility, and style, making it an excellent choice for mountain biking enthusiasts and casual riders alike. With its robust 21-speed gearing system, riders can effortlessly navigate various terrains, from steep inclines to flat city streets. The bike features a high-performance electric motor that provides a significant boost, allowing you to conquer challenging trails without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features of the Qlife Racer is its peak performance capability. The electric assist helps to alleviate the strain on your legs during long rides, making it feel like you're gliding rather than pedaling. The bike can reach impressive speeds, and the throttle response is smooth, ensuring a comfortable ride. The battery life is remarkable, offering a range that caters to both short commutes and lengthy adventures. With a full charge, you can expect to cover considerable distances without worrying about running out of power. The frame is made of durable materials, designed to withstand the rigors of off-road biking while remaining lightweight enough for urban commuting. The suspension system is reliable, absorbing shocks and bumps effectively, which enhances comfort during prolonged rides. The brakes are responsive, providing solid stopping power even on steep descents, ensuring your safety is never compromised. Aesthetically, the Qlife Racer also shines with its sleek design and modern finish. It comes in various color options, allowing riders to choose one that reflects their personal style. The bike is equipped with LED lights, making it suitable for night riding and enhancing visibility. Overall, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to elevate their biking experience. Its combination of electric assistance, durability, and style makes it an exceptional option for both mountain trails and urban landscapes. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to biking, this electric bike will undoubtedly enhance your journey.